Well, isn't that a sight? There we go, we've got the swing arm out sitting on the floor. Okie dokie, let's remove the side stand. Just unsnip a couple of cable ties. Reveal the plug and unplug it. And should just be a matter of not going to just be a matter of, is it? Of course not. Sometimes you've got to choose your battles. I don't need to take the kickstand off. Let's just leave it on there. I will destroy those bolts trying to get those out of there. Moving on, I want to get the clutch slave cylinder out through here, but I think that I might have to pop this out of the way first. Yeah. Alright. Well, there's no reason why that can't just be cable tied up out of the way. I've just found a bit of junk that I can put on there. That way the piston won't go astray if it's accidentally pressed that lever. If that's in the way of anything else, I'll deal with it later. Alrighty, time to start dealing with all this gubbins. See, these rubbers are getting a bit horrible. Battery brackets, battery clamps. Just slid the igniters off because I'm not overly familiar with these things. I'm just probably don't need to do this, but just as a matter of caution, I'm just going to number each of them. Just occurred to me that my microphone was off, so the audio you were just listening to has come from one of the other GoPros. You'll get used to that. That's something I do. Alright, let's pull these coils out. Now, I'm probably doing things I don't need to do, and I'm probably doing, it's quite possible I'm going to be doing things the wrong way, or creating work for myself that I don't need to create. So that's just how it is. Coils and igniters out of the way. Okay, just pop this main fuse out of the way. I think, with the exception of the worm drive clips on the top of the carburetors and the 4 bolts, we're ready to lift the airbox out. No, we're not. There's the breather box. Just in there. It's the clamp for the carburetor, and there's one on the other side, obviously. Just realised I didn't have to mark all these up because it's got a plug. It's got a nut under it because it's got the earth lead connected to it. There is a couple of other little jobs. One, the starter solenoid is under here, so I just need to pop him off. Alright, and the other thing I have to do is remove this plate, which is the catch for the plate, the latch plate for the tank. A bit of luck now. That'll all just come out. Just kind of working through here, guys, sorry. So, I think I just need to cut a couple of cable ties and remove that wire from the starter motor. Another faux pas, I forgot to hit record, but I'll just just pulled that out. Okay, oil pressure sender. Sorry, oil temperature sender. Or is it pressure sender? Oh, it looks like a pressure switch. There we go. And there's one more. Okay, so that's all those out of the way. They're connected to the frame. They're no longer anything there connected to the motor. Got the motor earth here. So that's going to have to come off next. Alright, that's that one taken care of. There's another one here. This will be oil temperature or pressure, one of the two. There was the neutral switch at the bottom and the other oil temperature or pressure switch over here. So I'll just unplug this guy. And I think that's all the wiring out of the way. Okay, tacho drive. Tacho cable up out of the way. I think it might make my life a whole lot easier if I just undo these carburetors off the manifolds and pull them up out of the way and cable tie them out of the way. I don't need to take them off, and that'll save me disconnecting all the cables for the push-pull for the throttle and the choke as well. I have to take the bowl breather units here out of the way too. And it's just a single bolt in the back of that. Might be easier said than done. Oh. There is another plug, of course, the alternator. So that one's going to have to be snipped off. Chop it, chop, chop. Alright, so swing arms out. All the electrical is disconnected. Carburetors are off. The only thing that's holding this motor up at the moment, I think, is just the engine mounts. Oh, and the crankcase breather, I've got to pull that off. So there's not much now to get the motor out. So I'm going to end it here. Ha, 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 ha. I've run out of day and I've got to tidy up. So in episode 3, we'll lower the motor down out of the frame and whip the cylinder heads off and have a bit of a better look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.